specific safety precautions also taken for pregnant women? Like what I can do in yoga, maybe the pregnant woman cannot do something like that. So you have safety precautions?
Yes.
Okay.
See, now you'll be surprised if I tell you one thing. Huh? Sometimes a few asanas I describe like Mandukasana,
Right.
Setu Bandhasan, these asanas, a non-pregnant woman will find it difficult to do. While a pregnant woman will do it with ease.
Amazing.
Yes, that is why. Because in pregnancy, they release a hormone that is called relaxin.
Okay.
Now, this relaxin helps to relax their muscles and, the joints a bit more compared to the normal females. So, they find it easy to do these asanas during pregnancy rather than in non-pregnant women. But yes, in general, we ask them to take some safety precautions. The first is you ideally should be practicing the yogasanas in the morning. Okay. So, if we generally for the normal population, we tell them do them on empty stomach.
Right.
But for pregnancy, generally this puking and nausea and they're restless and also what we tell them, have a cup of tea or milk or whatever, or glucon-C or whatever drink they prefer, half an hour prior to starting the practices.
Okay.
They should wear loose clothing, absolute loose clothing. They should practice yogasanas either in, wherever the atmosphere is
Open air,
and windows are
red air,
not in a congested area or places. Okay, preferably. They should not have heavy meal just after practice of asanas.
Okay.
They should not immediately go off to sleep after practices.
Acha.
If that is so, then it means that they are getting exhausted.
Okay.
That means they are exceeding their capacity. After practice of yogasanas, you should feel energetic and cheerful.
True.
Rather than lethargic and weak and exhausted and tired.
Right.
So, this is a simple indicator that if you are getting exhausted, you do not exceed your limits. Final position of asana, you should not try and, compare yourself with somebody else.
Right.
So, there should be no competitiveness. Okay. Do as much as your capacity. Guru Padishta Margeno, that is whatever your teacher or guru is teaching you, do not
doubt it or
question. Utna karo. If there is any pain or anything, just stop there. And that's all I feel this
Which also means कि अगर ये सब कुछ करने के बाद भी you're still feeling exhausted or whatever, then it's a red flag. You need to turn to medical attention कि ये क्या वजह है इसकी. Because that is true. Yoga के बाद you should feel energized and in a happier frame.
Correct.